Okay. So, Carla. Oops.
I think I remember real good is my sister and I was raised on a farm. We had a wagon load of wheat. We was shoveling that into a bin. One would shovel it in, the other would get back up in there and shovel it back. And when we got done, we must have dropped the shovel in the bin, and it scared the horses, and they went around the granary, around the barn, and the wagon tipped off going over around the barn. And my stepdad, what a wonderful man. Nadine and I, we thought, oh, we'll get a trimming. We went and got in our beds and covered up, and here we heard Dad coming. He just come up the stairs and he said, "Are you two all right?" What a wonderful person.
That's great. That's so great.
I'll never forget that.
So tell me about yourself. You're married. I see a wedding ring. When did you and how did you meet your husband? Is there a funny story behind that?
Well, my husband was a sailor. I was renting an apartment from one of his good friends, and how I met him. He was a twin, and hardly anybody could tell them apart. But if you see them, you kind of feel it. There's a little feeling that you know which is yours.
Oh, I've never really known twins, so I guess I don't know that feeling. But that's really interesting. Did you two have any kids?
My husband came down here in March of '52, and I came down in September of '52 with our three little ones.
To Rexburg?
I can't tell south from west. I have a hard time even now when I've been here a long time.
Oh,
And it was hard for me. It seemed like when Jay went to Rigby, we was living in Louisville. When he went to Rigby, it seemed like he went a different way every time. So one time we went, I was making sure of every house that reminded me to get back home. I have 4 children. One passed away. And I have some wonderful grandchildren. And the great-grandchildren is what keeps us going. I had heart surgery and ended up here to build me up. This is a wonderful place, and everybody's been so kind and good to me and patient. And I'll thank you for asking me. I bless all of my family I left. And I do this in the name of thy Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. So, I was told that you're from Canada.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you came from a big family of 12.
Yes, I was raised in Canada. My mom went to work for this man, and he had 6. She had 2. and they had 4. It was wonderful, this big family. There was a lot of us. We didn't have time to fight. It was on the bald-headed prairie. We had a lot of space to run. And it was so different to come down here. When I left McGrath, it was so beautiful up there. And coming across from Spencer and Du Bois out there, all I could see was sagebrush, and I thought, oh, what did I get myself into? But it's beautiful down here too.
That's good, that's good. So, are you happy about your decision to move to Idaho now?
Yes, it's fine, it's good. I have my family here now, and they're all close.
Family is important. I love family.
And we're a close family. Hi.
Hello. Okay, thank you so much for your time.
That's enough.
There were some great stories you told me, yeah.